Oh, it's very bright. Looks like I need some 6 shades. Okay, I'm going to be doing a food review. All right, let's see. What's this? Perfect. Just in case my mom comes in. So here we have Vienna sausage. I personally, get out of here. Okay, I personally really like this. It's made with chicken, beef, and pork added in chicken broth. But personally, I don't taste any of it. I just think it's some kind of mystery meat. But personally, I feel that this is the best canned meat that I've tried so far, and I've had a lot. So, that being said, let's crack it open, shall we? The bathtub is still a bit wet. Right, let's crack it open. Oh dear. Oh dear. It has a very smell to it. I'm not really sure how to explain it. It's almost like cat food. Oh my goodness, yes. Oh dear. That's good enough. So if you see here, we have 7 Vienna sausages. I like them because they remind me of little baby penises. The meat water is intact. There's lots of it to keep it nice and moistened. So they can be fresh while still in a can. I wish I had brought a fork, but all I have are my fingers. So I think I'm just going to have to take one out. Ooh, they're kind of cold. And a little bit squishy, but still hard. Here's what they look like. Remember how I said little baby penises? I'm a bit shaky because I'm just so excited to eat one. So let's just dig right in, shall we? Oh dear. Here's what it looks like when you take a bite. The consistency is very soft and very squishy. Ooh, very breakable. They're fragile. I can just, you know, pop it out. Oh, there's my finger. I still eat it. It's not bad, but it's not good either. But, you know, it'll do. However, the thing that causes a lot of controversy, I think, is the meat water. A lot of people say that it's disgusting, don't drink it. But I hear a lot of people say that it's really good. So I'll take it to the test. There's a little bit of meat flakes in it. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of a snow globe. How you shake it and then all the snow flies around. It's like that, except for it's meat. So I'm just gonna drink it now. Ooh, it's very salty. But you know, it's pretty good actually. I'd recommend it to anyone, really. I think meat water is a lot better than, because I don't like coconut. You see a lot of people drink coconut infused waters or cucumber infused waters, but I don't think that they're that good. Personally, I can't drink it. But I think I can drink Vienna sausage water. Like, meat water is pretty damn good. Like, it's a little salty, so you know, it's like savory. It's savory water, you know, if you're in need of something quick and salty, drop the peanuts and pick up some sausages, some sausage water, you know, if you're a little bit parched but also in need for some salt, you know, this can definitely work, maybe. But let's look at the ingredients. Mechanically separated chicken, you know, it's mechanically separated, so you know it has to be done right, you know, at least, you know, they can't miss any pieces of the chicken, I suppose. Chicken broth, water, beef, pork, contains less than 2% of salt, sugar, spices. Oh, honey, I can taste the salt, though. Sodium erythrorbate. Flavoring. Sodium nitrate. And garlic powder, you know. It's a little bit, there's a little bit of Italian going on in these. I think they're a good, oh, it's very messy, kind of. It's dripping down my arms, but I think Vienna sausages are good. So I think that sums up my, review, my, opinions on, Vienna sausages. Out of 10 stars, I'd rate it about a 9.5 maybe, because they're just that good, you know? Like, if this were an ice cream flavor, I would eat it. It'd be my favorite flavor. Ooh. I hope that you enjoyed my review. I think that it was good. I think you should all try out Vienna sausages. Take it from me. Don't eat Vienna sausages. Don't eat them.